Grunting. Grunting sounds a lot like hawk grunting, hence hedgehog. Hedgehogs grunt when exploring or searching for food. However, excessive grunting may indicate annoyance. Purring. Hedgehogs purr like they have little motors in them. This behavior is typically done when the hedgehog feels safe and content. Fun fact: tail wagging is a learned trait when they live with humans. Hissing. Short popping sounds with long cat-like hisses is no good. Stay clear of a hissing hedgehog or end up with a face full of spines. Or a giant slab of concrete, depends on the hedgehog. Chuffing. Is that a steam engine? Nope, that's a hedgehog in love. A hedgehog may make this sound while being courted by another, though maybe this one is just thinking about being romance.